That question, because sometimes we get bogged down with current affairs. I think we should be asking the question, which kind of president does Kenya want? Because this could be a bigger discussion than discussing personalities. Because I think as an economist, governance expert, I'm looking at in 2027.
You don't feel that discussing provisions of the Constitution is important on impeachment and whether a person impeached should be able to run for office?
Because you see, that will be done by courts at the right time. We had so many discussions.
As a Kenyan, do you feel that someone who has been impeached
we must adhere to the Constitution? And
according to you?
The Constitution of Kenya has been made opaque by the lawyers themselves so that they benefit from interpreting it. Because it should be very clear. According to CJ, impeachment is a finality. Mm-hmm. According to CJ. And it is high interpretation. So Supreme Court will interpret. Can you imagine that Supreme Court interpreted whether Ruto was elected or not? Yet the people should be deciding as the citizens. So I know how opaque it is. And like I tell Fred, every constitution, you hear this article says clearly like this, then the article says like that. Why did they put it like that? Mm-hmm. If you go to American Constitution, look at the case of Trump, when Trump was saying that he was robbed of victory. The pronouncement was very clear. There was even no court decision. They just said this is what the Constitution says. No one even went to court, and Trump took off, isn't it? Why in Kenya? It is for benefiting some people. And I don't want to go into this discussion. I know clearly that the Chapter 6 should be adhered to the letter. And the Constitution is very clear that there could be other things other than impeachment, because if it's the case, is William Ruto also fit to run? This question can be asked, isn't it? Mm-hmm. And as the People's Restorative Justice Commission, we believe that he is not fit to be president.
On what grounds?
Depends with the law.
No.
What does the law say about that?
Listen,
we are discussing a different issue about Gachagua.
So that's where I'm going. That's where I'm going.
The president has been impeached. So you cannot say that he does not qualify to run.
Allow me to state my facts, unless you know what I was supposed to say.
Go ahead, Prof.
What I'm trying to say here is that young people flocked to the streets to do demonstrations, isn't it? And they were killed. So many people were killed. They were not killed by wind. They were not killed by water. We have files. I'm speaking from the position of the People Restorative Justice Commission. I am a commissioner there. Even if you would call J.B. Muturi, who is the chair, he would tell you. We are not talking about rumors.
Commission in the Constitution.
Just wait. What I'm trying to say, we are going to provide evidence. We've been collecting evidence. Mm-hmm. We even have a portal where all this is coming up.
You're saying based on that then?
Based on the evidence we are collecting, the courts will decide, isn't it? Okay. And the judicial system will decide. So don't start ruling people out, because those people quick to rule out others might find themselves also being ruled out another way. Okay. So people are saying that it's given, like I hear a article saying that who is fit to beat William Ruto? What if he's not running?
Yes, Wamba.
Let us open up this and say, who is fit to be president? Prof? Instead of looking for how some people have muscle pull.
There are provisions in the Constitution.
So Fred, just wait. Let me finish. I'm saying we should even ask the question, who is fit? Because why are we concerned about people who have muscle pull? They are fatigued, mentally tired, retired, and the rest, former this, former that. So I'm saying there's a big room for 56 million Kenyans.
Should we ignore
who can present
of the
themselves?
But Professor Ogola just mentioned something about a certain commission. You know, Chapter 15 of the Constitution of Kenya talks about commissions and